Hello, in today's video I will show you how to make a voiceover for Instagram Reels and TikTok. To do that we need to go to our app and then text to speech option, and here we just need to paste our script. For me it's just 2 sentences. We can adjust our settings if we want it to be slow or fast. I will just go with this. I will stay in the middle of both of them, and then I can go to voices and change the voice I want. For example, I will choose Britney. And also you can choose by the categories of the voice. So when you just scroll here, go to default voices or your favorite voices. But rather you should pick default voices or popular voices. Depends on what you want. Then you can change the speaker to language category or just category if you want it to be narrative. And after all that you can pick the voice. I will stick to this one. Then you press generate, and after a few seconds you will have a generate script. And then it will show you a little zip bar that will show just right here in a few seconds. And after that you can see, as you can see, I already have this, and we need to press this button, and then we can share the audio clip or video clip, but rather you should pick audio clip. And also we can save the audio clip. I will just save it, and to access it we can go to the files, then pick the downloads, and we have our video clip, the audio clip, and then we can share it and just move it to the app that we want. And this is how you make a voiceover for Instagram Reel and TikTok. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.